In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce in WordPress and prepare your online store for launch. We'll start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, this is where you'll manage everything related to your website, including your store settings, products, and customer orders. If this is your first time working in WordPress, don't worry. The process is very straightforward, and WooCommerce is designed to guide you through the essentials. From the dashboard, go to Plugins and then select Add New. This is where you can browse and install new features for your site. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. When the plugin appears, click Install and then activate it once the installation is complete. Activating the plugin adds all the store functionality you need, including product pages, checkout, cart features, and order management tools. After activation, WooCommerce will usually open its setup wizard. Go ahead and complete that wizard step by step. This part helps you build the foundation of your store, and it's worth taking a moment to review each section carefully. You'll be asked for important store details, so make sure the information matches how you plan to operate your business. Next, configure your store location, currency, and other basic settings. These choices affect how prices are displayed, how taxes may be handled, and how your store operates for customers in different regions. Setting this up correctly from the start can save you time later and help create a smoother shopping experience. Once the core settings are in place, begin adding your products. For each item, include clear images, accurate descriptions, pricing, and inventory details. Good product images and well-written descriptions can make a big difference, so be as clear and helpful as possible. Also, keep your inventory updated so customers know what's available. After your products are added, move on to shipping and payment options. Set up the shipping methods you want to offer and make sure your payment settings are enabled correctly. This is a very important stage because it directly affects whether customers can complete their purchases without issues. You can then review your WooCommerce orders and customer information directly from the dashboard. This area helps you track sales activity, manage incoming orders, and stay organized as your store begins to grow. Finally, test your storefront and checkout process. Browse your site like a customer would, add a product to the cart, and go through the checkout experience to confirm everything works properly. This final review helps you catch any problems before real customers visit your store, and it gives you confidence that your online shop is ready to go.